This is our test. It has rained inside the porta-bote, and we let a piece of dry cardboard down here to test this seam. You can see this is where the bitumen aluminum tape is, and it's been like this for 10 minutes now. You can see that it is very dry. In fact, you can see our footprints on this cardboard, and so far, no leak whatsoever. This is 2 layers. Here's the first layer. Here's the second layer. You can see where this corner is right here. This got riveted back on. This got riveted back on. There are 2 layers that come up from the bottom, and you can see here's the layer here where it comes up from the bottom, and it was cut around this edge so it would fit. A heat gun was used to get the bitumen to seal and be hot. And so far, we are 10 minutes in, and there's like nothing here. This is fantastic news. Also, on the inside, there's one that went down the lengthways, and I did one crossways also. So far so good.